Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the data ready so Excel plots what you expect. First, make sure categories sit in the left column and numeric values in the next column. Headers stay in place. Once done, select just the data and headers, not extra totals, so Excel maps axes correctly. If you have non-contiguous data, press Ctrl while selecting ranges. This avoids misaligned labels. Now that the range is active, move to the Insert tab to pick a bar chart type. You insert the chart and then refine how it communicates. Click Insert, choose bar or column and pick clustered for comparisons or stacked for parts of a whole. If categories and series swapped, use switch row/column under chart design to correct mapping. Next, apply clear formatting, add data labels, adjust axis bounds, and pick accessible colors so values stand out. Also set gap width for bar thickness. These steps shape readability, and you finish by polishing and checking for problems before sharing. Add a concise title, verify the legend and tidy grid lines so they guide the eye without clutter. Make sure axis scales reflect the data range. If one value dwarfs others, consider a secondary axis or trim outliers. If labels overlap, reduce font size or rotate them. If the chart won't update, confirm the data range and press refresh. One quick tip: if bars disappear, check for hidden rows or filter settings that exclude data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.